Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. Anyway, so we have our Veris GT wing for street, meaning it's a 1380mm wing. We have our Honda mechanic, who's not used to working on such excellent quality products.
Yeah, because it's better.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so Veris was kind enough to give us 1 page of instructions. Use the emblem to center the wing. Well, I don't have an emblem anymore. So that's out. Anyway, so Brandon and I sorted the hardware already. So need some blue Loctite, metric. So there's a whole bunch of these things. There's 4 of these things. They're slightly different, so it might be a little tough to tell the difference. And then there's these big fat ones.
You already jacked up.
What? What? What?
Yeah, how are you gonna put
I'm
like
confused.
these in? How are you gonna hold those?
Ah,
Yeah,
son of a bitch. They're not normal.
Dum-dum.
Okay, so we're back and still trying to figure out our hardware because again, there's no instructions. And I had my girlfriend read through in Japanese and she said there's nothing helpful in there, so so we got our metric hex keys and yeah, is that
No.
That's not right?
Nope, not right.
Well, fuck.
I say
Wouldn't that bolt head just pull right through and crack? I mean, look at how loose that is.
yeah, I don't understand that at all.
Pretty sure the picture maybe the washers are a little too big.
I think because the washers, they look like they're yeah, they're for like a
Are they for this?
that's
Oh.
But why? Yeah, I don't know why they. But why is there
That's true. Why
12
do
of
they?
them
Why is there 12?
when you have 4 of those?
Ah. That's very, very, very confusing.
What I would do personally is I would put those on the bottom, find you some M8
I have a whole box of washers.
stainless.
No.
They have to be stainless.
God, fuck.
They will rust.
Actually, maybe I do.
Stainless.
Oh, it
M8.
turns out I actually have stainless washers because I bought them not realizing you're not supposed to use stainless for mounting seats because stainless is too soft for safety equipment. Nice, we got everything we need then to do this right. So you'll need some stainless washers. That's kind of disappointing. Whatever. So we can at least put this thing together, right? I mean, so it shows this on the inside like this, right? Now, do we want a washer for this bolt too?
I think that washer's big enough, or that head's big enough. That's a pretty big head for it. Or you could use these.
Really wish they had better pictures.
I say you use these since you have
Yeah,
so
I
many extras.
don't want to risk cracking.
Put these on there since they fit very well.
Yeah, I feel like maybe they sent us the wrong washers on accident, or the, you know what I mean?
Who
Like,
knows? Who knows?
oh wait, I'm doing this wrong though. Okay, so this goes through here, and then this goes in here. And then we definitely don't need a washer for this, right? Because it's,
No,
it's
it's a
freaking
shouldered bolt.
huge.
Or shouldered nut, so you don't need it.
Okay. God damn, this wing is gonna be a big dick wang. I think I messed up, Brandon. I think it's a big dick wang.
Which are you mounting them in the correct?
Yeah, I looked at the picture.
Other way.
What do you mean other way? No, that's right.
This is the rear.
Yeah.
And you got
Front,
inside.
rear.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. See, it sweeps
Fine.
backwards.
Fine then. Yeah, we probably.
That was a
won't
sneeze.
use these.
Yeah, I'd
Those
keep
are-
them off to the side for now.
Pretty well useless.
So then these we need.
These were the best fitting. They're a little
Oh
small,
hell!
but they're because you go up to this, and this is just
Is that too big?
yeah. way too big. It's the same size as this. That's like a...
Wow. Yeah, the head starts to
That's for an
sink into
M8.
it.
You need an M6 washer.
Yeah. Well, that sucks.
So I'd say use those.
You think they'll help at all? They're barely
Yeah.
bigger.
Anything's
Just
better than
barely.
nothing.
It's true. Well, we can't really put it in now, but might as well if you want
Well, we can stack them up for everything else.
to. Yeah, get
'cause you
12
have-
of them.
Yeah. We have so many. Let's take a fat stack to try to. Come here. Ooh.
Is the camera recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm so paranoid about that because this camera is a piece of garbage.
You're a piece of garbage.
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Only on the weekends? Okay.
I'm so tired. Oh, fuck. Okay. So, can go ahead and tighten this down since there's no adjustment on it.
Mm-hmm.
Not even close.
Guessing game.
I know, right?
So keep this out.
I have some bits, but I don't have 2 of these, so... Okay, that's wrong.
Snailed it.
Looks a little loose to me.
Well, maybe you can find a... I don't know. That might be like a standard.
Yeah. No, there's no... These have got to be
these are all
metric.
metric? Are
They
you
gotta
sure?
be. It came
Are
from
you
Japan.
sure?
There, this one. It's this one, Brandon. This must be a half size. Hey, it's this
those
one.
are metric.
It's this one.
Mm.
This one. Okay, now what do you think? Not a 10.
No. That's like a 14?
12? 14? Check the
First
biggest,
guess.
the biggest size.
Bam.
Surprised it's not a 13. Oh wait, that's VW.
Yeah.
VW loves their 13.
Well, domestically too, because it's half inch.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, 13 and a half inch or something. Why don't you tighten with this?
I know.
Come on.
I know.
Come on.
I know, don't judge me. I'm just scared to death I'm gonna crack the damn thing, like... Thank you.
Hold her steady for you. You want to wait to sink that down till you get, because you got,
Yeah, I agree.
it's kind of weird. It's kind of.
You think the holes would have been a little more precise.
But with that being said, it gives you kind of adjustment, wiggle room for imperfection. Since it is handmade.
That's true. So I think
Just
what we
push
should
it
do
all
is
the way down.
push down. If you want to push down for me.
Okay, yeah. There
Like-
you go. That's all the
Yeah,
way
it's
down.
definitely
She's
wiggling.
bottom down. Bottom down.
Man, I have no fucking clue how tight this is supposed to be, though.
Just prom night tight.
Jeez.
I didn't hear any cracking, so.
I
go to
know,
the
but I
next.
didn't even snug it though. That's what's so scary is
Here,
it's fucking.
let's see what you got.
I'll let you do it.
Let's see.
You're the pro.
That's definitely tight enough.
You think so? You don't think it'll back out? Whoa.
No, that's not backing out because you got the nylock on there. You're fine.
This one's barely even coming through though. See that?
That's tight. There's probably a imperfection there. As far as
It's a
your
little thicker.
yeah. She's a little thick on the other side. I think that's tight. I would not risk it for the biscuit.
I know. Don't start with that shit.
Don't risk it for the biscuit. Ah!
Okay.
Makes me cringe.
Okay.
All this hard work.
I know. And I guarantee you they wouldn't sell just the piece, too.
No.
I mean, you might be able to
Plus, it would
convince
be
them.
another. I mean, well, you could actually.
It'd be another 6 months.
Yeah. Go for it.
Do we?
What?
Nah, never mind.
Hold on. Stop.
What's up?
Yeah, we're good. We are good.
My right hand's a lot stronger.
Why is that?
I don't know. It is a mystery I will never solve.
All those years, huh?
Yeah.
All those single years.
Yeah.
That's what it'll do to you.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, did I already tighten it on you?
Yeah, you're fine. I had it pushed down.
Okay. All right, ready?
Yeah, snug her down. Find the hole. Come on, freshman year stuff right now.
Some middle school stuff is what that is nowadays. Kids these days, man.
Damn kids. That's good.
All right, what do you check for me? Check.
Check. See if she's prom night type. Send it.
Sweet. Okay, now the wing. So you want to put the wing upside down, I guess would probably be the best way.
Yeah, upside
Protect
down.
the top surface. I still don't know how you got all polishing around these rivets, man. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, I just used my little 3-inch DA on an angle grinder and
Nice.
or buffing pad.
I think it goes to the inside. It makes sense, right?
Which one were you? You got
Yeah,
forward and
goes
rear
to-
positions, right?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
I see what you're saying.
I want to go to the rear so it's back,
Yeah, it goes on the inside.
and then I'm gonna. For now, I'm gonna layer down flat until I see what that looks like, you know. Actually, fuck it, let's go. Well, man, I don't really have any way to judge until it's on the car.
Just angle it all the way up, vertical.
Drag brake.
That is what you want. Now that's a 10.
That's a 10. And it's probably a different Allen key too, though, huh?
Yeah, for the smaller one.
Could be any of this shit.
Did you keep out the one that we used? Yeah, it's over there. Okay.
I got it.
Okay, sweet.
There you go. Alright, just hold it for me.
I got you.
Oh, I might need a deep well for this. I might have fucked up.
No. You good.
Okay, do the back one. Glad I had some stainless steel washers lying around. That's not very common. Alright, and then go ahead and push down on it for me.
Okay. That's might be compounding that little crevice
And
area.
I can always get some marker and
Yeah, and just. These
That's
okay.
sinking.
These are line.
Yeah. Say it's kind of sinking though because it doesn't have as much surface area.
Yeah, you definitely have to be careful with these small little dudes.
Yeah. Yep.
We're good. We good.
There you go. Actually, here I'll let you can use your right hand and I'll hold it in place.
Sorry, I don't have the same right hand strength.
Yeah.
Pushing down with it.
Okay. Oh, hold on.
Slid out of the hole. You got it. All right, right back in the hole. Okay.
feel like it'll probably loosen up after a couple miles anyway, so.
You'd be surprised.
Well, the only thing is, it doesn't look like it's parallel. It might cause some problems when we're mounting it. You see what I mean? Like
Interesting.
It's close, but it's not perfect. I guess that's why they gave you a measurement. So this is 30 to 53. So it's definitely not, it's supposed to be 220 total. 110 and then 110. So it's 10 millimeters bowed out. Oh boy.
But, yeah, but they were, I mean, were they measuring the rear? In the rear only? What do we have back here? Because your measurement is in the... They show it across the rear.
It's square. It's still 53 and it should... Well, it's still 130 and it should be 120. So it's...
What do you mean, so 130?
Like, look, you can move it a little bit. So it's supposed to be 120. So whenever we mount it, we're going to have to be extremely careful. Or we're going to have to take this off to mount it, which is risky. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, maybe I can just coerce it, but I doubt it's good. It's like a spring. It's just going to go right back.
Why don't you just drill it where it's at?
No, if they gave those measurements, they gave them, you know, for a reason.
Yeah, but I told you, I got eyeballs, man. We just eyeball it, stick it on there.
Or, you know, like one of the things that could be the reason why is they want you to have a little tension on it, you know, so it doesn't go like this.
Yeah. I don't know.
We're just gonna have to.
Or maybe you're just overthinking it.
It's possible. So now what we need to do is, no, we'll wait till we're done to put those on. If that makes sense.
Done.
Yeah.
Done.
Alright, so I think what we can do now is we can go out to the car and like put some tape down so we can at least have some reference points. Luckily this is curved, so we can just push it all the way up against the trunk and say fuck it. But anyway, alright, everybody, that's the end of part 1. Thanks, Brandon, for helping. Make sure you come back right away for part 2, which will probably be uploading at the same time as part 1. So, yeah, catch you guys next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive.